Have you ever wanted to add a little flair to your website, but felt stuck on how to do it? If you're wondering whether you can add text using pseudo selectors like after or before, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore this topic and find out how to make your text pop. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to enhance your content but aren't sure how to do it effectively. You're not alone in this. Many web developers face similar challenges when trying to customize their text. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to add text by pseudo-selector after or before to a specific word, like adding a PDF icon next to the word download? This is a great question and one that many people have. Let's dive into this together. So what's the deal with pseudo-selectors? Pseudo-selectors like after and before are powerful tools in CSS that allow you to insert content before or after an element without changing the HTML. This means you can add icons or text dynamically, which is super handy. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will help you level up your web design skills even further. To add an icon next to the word download, the user can utilize the CSS pseudo element after. This allows for the insertion of content after a specific element. First, the user should ensure that the word download is wrapped in an HTML element, such as a span or a link. This will allow the CSS to target it effectively. Next, the user needs to apply the CSS class to the element containing download. This will trigger the after pseudo element to display the icon. Finally, the user can customize the appearance of the icon using additional CSS properties, such as size and positioning, to ensure it looks good next to the text. Fun fact, did you know that the first web page ever created is still online? It was published by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and is a simple text page explaining the World Wide Web. Talk about humble beginnings. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use the pseudo-selectors after or before to add content next to specific text. The user suggests wrapping the text in a span with a class and then applying the pseudo-selector. For links, the user recommends using a specific selector for anchor elements that end with PDF. This allows you to add content after the link text as well. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always remember to test your design across different browsers. Sometimes pseudo-selectors can behave differently, so it's crucial to ensure consistency. And there you have it. You can easily add text or icons next to specific words using pseudo-selectors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep experimenting and happy coding.